Now the Fenrir debuted in the Kansept lineup, right, as a premium knife. It's different models available for it, and always had a front flipper. There's a new anniversary edition that does not have a front flipper. That was also looking pretty good with a nice frag pattern. This one's bringing the goods here, paperwork, and some Omega springs, which is always nice to see. Some additional Omega springs just in case, right? The default ones ever go bad, which again, even till this day, I'm yet to have an Omega spring go bad on me. But yeah, this one came out in the Kansept lineup as a premium knife. And over time, it has made its way over to the Tenable family here, right? More affordable than ever. We are rocking a crossbar lock on this one as compared to, I believe it was a frame lock on the original one. I know on the Tenable lineup, we've had a plunge lock button lock before. I featured that one here in the channel. And we got green micarta on this one. Proud liner construction, right? Sandwich construction with 2 standoffs back there. Plenty of milling on the inside for weight reduction. And a deep pocket carry clip, which guess what? It's actually reversible for lefties since it is a crossbar lock, right? It's a very ambidextrous friendly style knife. So without further ado, boom, right? Here is the blade. Man, there's always something special or, you know, something really nice about the Fenrir here when I see the blade, right? It just gets me excited. It's just such a wicked, cool looking geometry there, without a doubt, right? So Greg Shop design from Sparrow Knife Works. Fenrir here, Nitro V steel. Think of Nitro V like a step above 14C28N and D2. This one's rocking a beautiful stone wash finish right there. Looking really, really good. All right, so you can see it even has a little bit of reflectivity to it, more or less. All right, looking nice. I want to say the plunge lock button lock model has a nice finger choil, whereas this one, right, you kind of bypass the finger choil there a little bit just to be able to have it be a crossbar lock. That's what I'm gathering. Or at least they went with a different geometry without a finger choil for some reason. Those are definitely, you know, some differences as compared to the other Fenrir model that has a finger choil. So checking the action here. Action feels good. Thumb deployment is good. Reverse flick is good. And we can do this all day, right? Captain American style. Can do this all day. Yeah. So very small, you know, very nice and smooth ball bearings. And yeah, nice. And yeah, very nice rock solid action there, without a doubt. Now in the ergos, yeah, this is perfect, man. You can always put your thumb here behind the harpoon, right? You got a beautiful harpoon geometry there, flat grind, and it just feels so good, right? This feels so nice. You also have a pretty lengthy cutting path, which is always good. Love to see it. And nice and, you know, decently, you know, thick enough, right? Feels the hand. Again, as I said earlier, average size hands, not the biggest, not the smallest of hands, but I'm able to get full purchase here. Feels good. And again, the pocket clip is reversible, so we have an ambidextrous friendly knife. I'm using it here with my left hand, which I promise you have zero dexterity whatsoever. So if I can do this and you're a lefty, you absolutely can rock this knife all day, every day. And all these are very affordable, by the way. And bam, boom. And again, the large cutting path on this one's really going to help you a lot. I can tell you from experience, because I've already carried the premium counterpart. I've carried the other Tenable Fenrir with a plunge lock button lock as well. And I absolutely love the Fenrir stuff. Now there's a crossbar lock. If a crossbar lock is more your cup of tea, they got you covered here. If you like a plunge lock button lock better, they also have that model available as well. Bam, boom. We're cutting this cardboard here like nobody's business. Nitro V. Whoops. Nitro V putting in some work. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.